a good hug, Emmy.
Oh, love your brother. Uh-oh. Oh, she wants to give you another hug. My goodness. Oh, that's so sweet, Emmy. Good girl. Give him a kiss. Give brother a kiss. Yeah. I hope Grandma gets one of those hugs.
So perfect first inning for Scherzer. Top three. It's allowed. Let's go to Baltimore. Rangers. Elvis Andrews. David Lowe tracking in the corner.
Oh my goodness.
Go out here.
Oh.
We talk about that, and that's what the Orioles bring every day. You put somebody in left field, another guy DH, and
Race. Look from behind the dish. Young Harris Solarte. Solo shot.
Cute huggy. Hug. Another hug. Give me here. Give me hug again. Give me hug. Hey, don't. I didn't say look there. I said give me hug.
We'll show it to you. Meantime, Cuban players.
Oh.
Major League Baseball stars are playing.
Okay, she's done.
At the passion between the Cuban players.
You want another sandwich?
Papa. Emmy, can you say mama? Can you say mama? You know, let's just say mama, but not dada. It means mama. Mama. Mama.
Good girl.
I told you.
Good
knows.
girl.
Can you, mama. Mama. What should I do?
You say dada?
Whatever you're doing, creepy as. Can you say dada? You say dada like that? Can you say mama? Mama? Mama?
Oh. Oh, now she's sharing her food. You're so sweet. No, thank you. You can give to brother. Oh, that's so sweet, Emmy sharing.
Yeah,
Hey, Beldar, how can I help?
Did we receive savings from our discount double check?
Oh, yeah.
Emmy,
No, don't, Emmy, don't drop it.
can you say mama? Mama. Okay.
Where were you born?
No, thank you.
You.
Emmy, eat it.
Emmy, eat it.
Because where you
Emmy, you. That's you. No, you eat it. You. You.
and when that inspiration
You.
is refreshing this majestic
You. You eat it. You eat it.
At Golden Corral, you can have breakfast for lunch and dinner 7 days a week, all part of our endless lunch and dinner.
No, thank you.
Don't forget, you can
There's a good girl. Good girl. Oh, another hug. Wow.
buttermilk pancakes and more. Golden Corral, the best buffet in the USA.
serious crisis. And certain things have it done.
I wish Emmy could you and Grandpa one
I
of
know. Not your drink, honey. No, no.
these.
Sit it down. She's just going to keep knocking it over.
It goes your way, Emmy. It goes your way. Huggy.
Busy couple days coming your way. MLB on ESPN. EShirts
Huggy.
All-Star Selection Show.
You all done?
Starters announced Sunday, 7:30
You want to
Eastern
get out?
Then,
Hey,
You want to come give Grandma a hug?
Monday, 7 Eastern, ESPN.
I did it.
Hang out with us this weekend.
What? Tell Grandma what you want. Huh? What are you doing?
Emmy, did you say mama?
Mama?
You didn't say mama?
Say mama.
Oh,
Oh, that was close.
there's
There's
mama.
mama.
Oh gosh, Walter. Back it up.
Say mama.
Love Grandpa.
I'm a human napkin.
You love your grandpa? Can you give him a kiss? Oh. Want to give him a kiss, Emmy? Oh. Say
Want more?
please.
I forget you what.
Please. Emmy. Say please.
Oh.
Yeah, how about some watermelon? What was that?
I think the table. Emmy.
Walter. Stephanie. Daryl.
Dad, you want some soda?
We're at Stephanie's house right now.
Do what now?
You want some soda?
All these chips are giving me dry mouth.
Walter. Here, baby. Walter, go lay down. Go lay
I
down.
rewarded myself with the maple bar and the glazed twisty today.
That'd go for you.
And me too. I think
probably
we're
gonna
both gonna gain
I'm
50
probably gonna weigh
pounds.
400 pounds by the time I quit smoking.
That's where I gained most of my weight.
When you quit, Daryl?
Yeah. I think when I started nursing school, I was probably 190 pounds. And when I was done, I was like 220.
Just one. One.
Problem is, most of yours will be muscle, most of mine will be fat.
Zero.
You going bye-bye? Give one to Grandpa.
Oh no, that's okay.
Give a chip to Grandpa. What about Grandpa? Oh, good girl. Thank you. One for Grandma?
Oh.
I don't know.
Thank you.
Can Grandma have one? Hey, what
Grandma?
about Grandma?
Grandma?
Oh. Thank you. Oh, Walter.
Thank you.
Is that the grand finale for Mission? Emmy, look. Look, Emmy.
I'm gonna go turn that thing on.
Then you're gonna miss it.
Are those doing fireworks? Mom?
Everyone's out of here. You alright? You snuck some watermelon, didn't you?
No, I just ate a little bit from the big one.
Turn it.
And I just choked.
Goodly.
Wow, here we go.
Yeah.
I saw the sun.
This,
Mm.
there's some more over here.
Where?
Now they're all starting. It must be
Pays to live
9.
up a hill.
Right?
Yeah. We were hoping.
When I drive up the hill, my gas mileage says.
I see some. I see two.
Look left.
Fireworks.
Oh my god.
The sprinklers are coming on! Oh my god! No.
Hey, buddy, watch. You're gonna miss them.
Fireworks. Fireworks.
Look at they're everywhere. Look, guys.
They're not everywhere.
Yes, they are. Just keep. Oh. Digger.
Man down.
Man down. Not a man down. Man down is when the face first.
No.
Not really.
Yeah. You just went down, homeboy. Stop. Leave her alone. Just watch the fireworks. She's fine.
Right to the left too.
It's from Britain, my young man.
A heart.
Wow. Wow. Yeah, they look cool, huh? Alex, stop it, please.